Bonjour! A lot of people ask me how to cook an egg because they have a lot of problems to have a perfect eggs. So in this video I'm going to show you how to cook a perfect oeuf à la coque or boiled eggs, a perfect oeuf mollet or soft boiled eggs, and a perfect oeuf dur, hard boiled eggs. So the time I'm going to give you is depending on the size of the egg. But first, I'm Olivier. I'm a professional chef. I was chef in France and UK. So to cook a perfect eggs, you need boiling water, some eggs, obviously, and a skimmer spoon. Why we use a skimmer spoon? To avoid the eggs to bind inside the pan. So you're going to put your eggs like this. One. I'm going to put 3 in same times. 2. 3. So when the water is starting to bubble again with the eggs, you're going to start your timing. Where is it? So yes, it's bubble again. Start. So I started my times. So for the perfect boiled eggs, you need 2.5 minutes to 3 minutes, depending on the size of the egg. I use large eggs, so I'm going to time for 3 minutes. For oeuf mollet, soft boiled eggs, it's roughly 5.5 minutes to 6 minutes, always depending on the size of your eggs. For the perfect oeuf dur or hard boiled eggs, it's between 9 and 11 minutes. Usually, we said 10 minutes when the water boils again is enough. So let's see what's happened in 2 minutes. So 1.5 minutes pass. So we're going to prepare some cold water because we need to stop cooking straight away. We remove from the pan. So I'm going to put a lot of cold water. So by the way, that is called a cul de poule in French. And poule means chicken, perfect for the eggs. So 2 minutes, 15 seconds. So we said we're going to leave 2.5 and 3. So in 30 seconds, I'm going to remove the first egg, and it will be the perfect boiled eggs. Yes, it's very important as well to have your egg at temperature, room temperature. If you came from the fridge, they're going to explode straight away because we use boiled water. And this is the right way to do it, to never miss cooking egg. Okay, we are 3 minutes. I'm going to remove this one, put in the cold water, and this one is a perfect running eggs, where you can put some bread inside. It's lovely. So the other one, it will make 5.5 minutes, 6 minutes, so see you then. So we are at 4 minutes 11, so I'm going to leave 5.5 minutes for those kind of size of eggs. But first, let's see this one. So 2. Perfect. I don't know if you see on the camera. Ooh. Sorry, I don't have the white tool. But as you can see, the white is cooked perfectly, and the yellow is perfectly running. So perfect for your shoulders. So 6.5 minutes pass, and we're going to have the oeuf mollet, or the soft boiled eggs. So I'm going to remove it, put in the cold water, and stay till the end of the video because I'm going to show you how to do oeuf mimosa. You're going to discover that. same technique as before. It's very easy to remove the skin of the eggs. So this one, you should have the yellow running a little bit. It's perfect for salad. You put a salad, little bit of dressing, you cut it, and you have not a oeuf poché, little bit more cooked than that, but you have a nice very eggs. 5.5 minutes to 6 minutes, depending on the size. And you have your perfect running soft egg. Okay, 10 minutes pass and we're going to get out these eggs from the hot water. But don't forget, put your timer on as soon as the water boil again, not before. So we have our eggs, same principle in the cold water. Cooling down because it's quite hot. Okay, so start with the same, always with the top because there is some air and it's very easy to remove it after. And here should be our hard ball. There you go, your hard ball. Now, as a bonus, as I promised before, we're going to create some oeuf mimosa, as we call in French. So you just need to have 2 hard balls. I remember, 10 minutes in the boiling water, some mayonnaise, a little bit of chopped parsley. So to do that, oh my god, you remove the yellow, like that. Oh, still some. And you're going to chop your yolk. It's still very hot. Like that. Don't forget to put your finger like that you not cupping yourself. You need to do as thin as you can. After you taking everything in the bowl, some mayonnaise, roughly. You mix all together. And you put it back in your shell, egg. One. Voilà. And the persil I chopped earlier on the top. And you have what we call old mimosa. Perfectly cooked, 10 minutes. So, if you have any questions, don't forget you have the comment section is for you. If you want me to explain you any kind of recipe, leave a comment. I'm going to do a video for you to help you. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the thumbs. Ring the bells and push the thumb up. Au revoir et bon appétit!